Welcome back. With the tailgate module, you will be able to close your tailgate using your remote or inside button. After installing, a long press on the remote will close the tailgate. Today, we're going to show you how to install the module on Volvo V70 or XC70 with electromechanical drive. Let's begin. Pop out the button and disconnect the connector. Pull on the lock cover, there is no clips. Evgeny is performing this installation on his own Volvo XC70. On both sides, unscrew the Torx 25 screws on left and right side. Inside the handle there is two more screws which are the same Torx 25 bit. Then pull out the door handle. Next, disconnect the upper plastic cover from the bottom one. Just pull to the side, there is a clips in there, and do the same on the other side. Now detach the cover, and please note that if your Volvo is equipped with keyless drive, there is a connector to the antenna inside the cover. Detach it. In the package you will receive the tailgate module, some zip ties and the wiring. Undo the wiring and you will see that you have two longer wires and three shorter wires. The longer wires will connect to the tailgate lock connector and the three shorter wires will connect to the button. Let's connect the two longer wires, which are marked K5 and K6, to the lock connector. The end result will look like this. Now make sure that you secure those wires with some zip ties, so by accident they don't fall out from vibration. Next, secure the module wiring to the existing wiring of the car. You will have enough zip ties in the package. Now take the button and connect it to the connector. On the button itself, you're gonna see markings 1 and 5. This will help you see which wire is which. We're gonna connect the three remaining wires to the button. It will look like this: K1 on the left, K3, K5. Connect the wires to the connector. Once done, make sure that you secure with an extra zip tie so the module wires will not fall out of the connector. Once everything is complete, before reassembling, you want to check that everything works as it should. Connect the module, reconnect the button, and don't forget to reconnect the lock connector. Okay, done. And now we're gonna check how it works. A long press on the remote should close your tailgate. And it works. Final check, we reconnected the lock connector, all the wires are secure, and now the module will be near the button, so if needed it can be easily disconnected without disassembly. Let's put everything back together. Don't forget, when you're putting the cover back, to thread the module connector and the button connector through the hole. Just push on the cover, all the clips will engage. Reconnect the top plastic part with the lower one. Thread out the connectors from the hole. It will look like this. Reattach the tailgate handle. Screw back the two screws, which are Torx 25. screw back the 2 screws which are on each side of the tailgate. Reattach the lock cover, it just pops in. Connect the module and hide it inside the hole. Now the access to the module now is very easy. You don't need to disassemble anything, so if needed you can always disconnect it if needed. Reconnect the button and put it back in place. And the final result, a long press on the remote will close your tailgate. The module also beeps to warn you about that. Same will happen if you press the button inside the car. I hope that this video helped you installing the module on your Volvo. Like this video, subscribe to my channel for more. There is more videos coming. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.